Here is how to fix your couple photos in seconds. You know the moment. You finally get a great photo with your partner and then someone in the background ruins it with a weird face or by staring into the camera. Let me show you how you can clean that up with just a few brush strokes. Fortunately, with the revolution of AI, this is not a complicated issue to fix anymore. And today I'll show you how to do it without using Photoshop. The only tool you need is the UniConverter that you can download from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then open it up. The tool we're going to use is called the Watermark Remover. Don't be fooled by the name though. It's a powerful tool to remove anything from an image. It's going to be within the image section of the UniConverter. Make sure that up here it's switched to the image watermark remover tab, as it can also work with videos. Now it supports batch processing for up to 100 images, which is great if you're fixing a whole set from a trip or event. But today I'll just use a few photos. Here's the workflow. On the right side, click on Select and then choose a brush size. Then, carefully draw over the parts of the image that you'd like to remove. Then, carefully draw over the parts of the image that you'd like to remove. If you accidentally draw over something you don't want to remove, don't worry, click on the deselect button and draw over it again. If you're working on multiple images, repeat this on all of them. When you're done, choose an output folder and then click on Export. And just like that, this photo is fixed and ready to be posted without getting awkward comments like, "That photo bomb though, LMAO." An extra thing you may want to do to your photo or photos is enhancing them. This could mean quality enhancement, colorizing, etc. And for this purpose, we're going to use the Image Enhancer AI tool that you will also find within the image section of the interface. You may work on up to 20 images simultaneously with this tool. The functions that you can use are on the right side of the interface. Using them is really simple. Let's say I like to print this photo that I just fixed. When it comes to printing, the higher the resolution is, the better the printed results will be. So for this task, I'll use the Upscaler tool. So I'll just import a photo into the interface. And then I click on the Upscaler function. Then I'll select an upscaling ratio. I'm gonna choose 4 times. Finally, after selecting an output folder, I'll click on Export All. And that's it. Now this image has a very large resolution, which will make it perfect to print, even on a bigger scale. Alright, if this video was helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.